Today I will show you that how you can easily change default video player on your Windows 10 laptop or PC. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, to change the default video player on your Windows laptop or PC, you will have to click on this Windows icon, then click on this gear icon to head over to the settings of your laptop or PC. Then you'll have to click on app section right here and it will take you to this page. Now you'll have to click on default apps. Now scroll down and you'll be able to find an option of video player, and right now in my case VLC media player is selected, so I will click on it and it will show me all the video players that have been installed or in my laptop or computer. Now for example, I want to select this media player. I will simply click on it and it will be selected as my default video player. So I hope this helped you out. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video, and if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.